Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. Okay, today we are recording group discussion video 1, and for today we're gonna do some discussions to divide our members in pair to create 5 DIY projects. So before we proceed, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Mizana Mastura binti Madari, matric number 200741, and I'm from Faculty of Medicine and Health Science.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Khairul Hafiz and my matric number is 201344. I'm taking a Bachelor of Science Plantation Management from the Faculty of Agriculture. Hi.
Hi Fidaus. Hello everyone. My name is Husna binti Azman and my matric number is 197801 and my course is Cell and Molecular Biology from the Biotech and Biomolecular Science Faculty.
Okay, hi everyone. So my name is Muhammad Abdul Azim bin Asmin, and my metric number is 199139 from Bachelor of Science Plantation Management from Agriculture, Faculty of Agriculture.
Hi everyone, my name is Li Zhiyi. You can call me Li. I know it's a little bit hard for you guys to pronounce Chinese, so just call me Li. And my matric number is 208864. And my course is in computer science from Faculty of Computer Science and Information Technology.
So hi, my name is Nur Emilia Natasha binti Kak Asmadi. Can call me Tasha. So I'm study bachelor in nursing from faculty. My matric number is 202069 from Faculty Medicine and Health Science.
Assalamualaikum. Okay, Fatima, you start first. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. Okay, so my name is Nur Yasmin binti Muhammad Shagi, can call me Yasmin. Right now I'm studying Bachelor of Nursing. I'm from Faculty Medicine and Health Science. My matric number is 200704.
Hi everyone, my name is Fatima Basiari. You can call me Fatima. I'm from Iran and I'm a first year dietetics student from the Faculty of Medicine and Health Science. And my matrix number, I forgot to mention it, 208856. Nice to meet you all.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So my name is Muhammad Abhandini bin Abdul Rahim and my matric number is 200932 and I'm from course same as Azim and Firdaus, Bachelor of Science Plantation Management and from the Faculty of Agriculture. So we are all from the group 50 of LAX2019 DIY project.
Hannah, can you introduce yourself?
Okay.
So
Hi everyone.
Interview yourself.
Okay. Okay. Hi everyone. So my name is Nurhana binti Shahruddin. So my matric number is 199058. I'm a third year student from Bachelor Science, Cell and Molecular Biology from Faculty of Biotech. Same with Husna. Okay.
So if everyone have introduced yourself, so we are gonna decide pair of the group. So we're gonna divide for 5 pair. So the first pair is me, Natasha, and Mizan Mastura.
So second pair is me, Nurhana, with Husna. The next pair?
Okay, I will be the third pair. Maybe I will pair with Muhammad Nabahan Dini.
For the third pair is me, Nur Yasmin, and Fatima.
So the last one will be Lee and me. Will be the last partner.
So for pair
So
one, we're gonna do project one, which is the white off board that made up from frame. And I think it's kind of easy project since we only use the things that we already have at our home. So how about members, others member project?
For our pair, we have decided to do clay trays, which means we use air dry clay. The clay, we don't need to use oven or anything else. We just need to dry it in the sunlight. Other than that, we also use cardboard as its base, and then some straws. I think that's all.
Such a nice project. So for me and Lee, we have decided to make a bio vase. So actually bio vase is a vase that we made from plant, and we use actually all the things we use from nature. We use starch and pandan leaves. Okay, so uh, this project is very useful. So later on we will discuss about it. About the 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 previous project, I think you guys it is quite a good project. Okay, so how about other partners?
Noor Yasmin and I have decided to make a phone holder, which is made by using cardboard only. So it's a very easy DIY project.
Yeah, correct. We choose this project because due to online class, one of our equipment is phone, right? So instead of we holding phone for a quite long time, so we decide to do the mobile stand phone. Okay. How about the last group? I think group Firdaus. Firdaus, right?
Alright.
About
Okay, for me and Nabahan, we have decided to do the oil lamp, and we use the bamboo as the base for the oil lamp. Since for the Muslim, we are gonna celebrate the Ramadan and Idul Fitri. As the culture in Malaysia, we have know that uh, all this we are using the oil lamp as our source of lamp. So we can do this in future to make sure that it's still being used, and it can be used for the DIY and very easy because use the base of agriculture product to have the oil lamp.
Such a good project.
Thanks, Azim. Thanks.
so quite a good project because some of us, our project use the waste material, right? So yeah, so
So what do you guys think? The importance of using waste material in your DIY project?
Bismillah, in my opinion, why we prefer to use waste material due to as a student we don't have a lot of money. We want to keep it, so So we use the waste material to cut off the cost to do the project. As we know that DIY mean do it yourself. So yeah, one off to cut the cost to make the project. Okay.
In my opinion, I think that especially during this pandemic, that we don't really leave the house to go in public and shop. And so recycled materials, I think cardboard, the one of the things that me and Nora Yasmin are using is something that we all have in our houses and easy to use. So yeah, I think that's why we chose.
In my opinion, I think UPM, the purpose of LAX is to encourage us to do something with waste materials, and then to encourage 3R, reduce, reuse, and recycle, and then that we can produce something from waste materials, something like that. And for example, as for my project, we use cardboard. So other than, as for now, we online shop a lot. So rather than throwing away those cardboards, we can use and recycle the cardboards into something. Others?
I also think Lee and Azim's project is good because they use biodegradable products and they use like
Yes.
from nature. It's
Yes.
very go green, like as we all know, UPM is a green campus.
Yeah. And I think it is very unique because I never heard about bio-waste before.
So actually the bio waste is like biodegradable waste. We just need to plant the tree inside the vase, and then when it start to big, then we just need to plant the tree with the vase itself. So we just no need to remove it from one side to other side. So yeah, I think by using the waste what we use waste item, uh, we can get a lot of benefits. Actually, we can recycle instead of throwing those waste. We can recycle them, and we can cut a lot of costs. Yeah.
Yes, Azim, that's right. So beside it, I think why the DIY is important is because we can see that some of things that want to be disposed will take a long time if it's not an organic base. So if for plastic, it will take around 10 years to 20 years to dispose. It's only a plastic, so that's why we can cut our cost beside use the plastic as our material to be in DIY project. Beside it is free and also help to ensure that Malaysia still go green and ensure that the plastic is not be that throw away anyway, because it will make our nature become bad.
I think from uh, doing the DIY project by reuse, recycle, and reuse, recycle, and what one? Reuse,
Reduce.
recycle. Yes, reduce. It can reduce the amount of waste that's sent to the landfills and to the incinerators. And beside that, it can also prevent the pollutions by reducing the need to collect the new raw materials, and also we can save the energy by doing that kind of things. So I think that's what I'm thinking about doing the DIY project, the benefits of doing the DIY project. So what other members think?
So for my opinion, I think that doing DIY project, so for this LAX, we can increase our creativity. So from something that we buy, so we just buy just like that. So when we do DIY project, we can get creative and do what we love. Contoh, example, such as we love the floral pattern, something. So we make something that have flower pattern. Yeah. The second is its cost reduce. So it's not it include cost because we use what have the item that we have already. That's my opinion.
Lee, how about you? Maybe you have any opinion about our DIY project as we are going to use, mostly we are going to use waste material. So what is your opinion?
In my opinion, one of the most important thing of DIY is um, I think it's another way to have fun, and also it can help us to protect the nature. Like the cabinet behind me, all we see is a cabinet, but it's still a bunch of wood. And years ago, it's still a wood, and it can be back to nature. Then it actually changed nothing, but we use it. It's useful, and then it's harmless. And I think it's important point for our that. I think that.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Um, Firdaus and Nabhan, you guys, your project is oil lamp, is it?
Yes, right.
Can you explain to us what you want to do? Because I think it is quite interesting.
Okay. The oil lamp is actually we want to create a pelita. As you know, a pelita.
Oh,
Yes, that's like pelita, but we use the base from the bamboo as the base, and it will use the gasoline oil as the source of energy. Then for how to we create the fire, and we use the from the uh, unusing clothes as the source. Yeah.
Okay, that was so actually your project is actually only use bamboo. Uh, can we like use maybe we change the we use other substitute like can or maybe
Yes,
it's
can.
bamboo maybe bamboo is maybe hard kind of hard to be find, right?
Yeah.
Maybe some of us stay in the city, and so maybe the things that we want to find like bamboo is maybe hard. So I think by using maybe can old can. So what do you think about it?
Okay, Azim. All right. Thanks for the info. I think we also can use the can. We know that can also is the recycle product, right? So, but when we are cutting the can, we need to be very careful because we can see when we cut off the can, it's a very sharp. So it's not suitable for the kids to play around there. So we cause might have a is accident if using the can. But maybe I and Abhan can try to do two model of this oil lamp. One is with bamboo and one come out with the can.
Thank you, Firdaus.
So Firdaus, for your project, when Azim say that you can use can, so what I imagine from lava lamp, we can see the lava something. So what about plastic bottle?
Okay, actually when I want to create the oil lamp, when they use the plastic bottle, it cannot act, with the heat. So because when we start the fire on the oil lamp, the heat will makes the plastic to become flat.
Melt.
Uh, so this is become problem. It cannot be static at there. This is useless to do the using the plastic because it cannot it absorb it and become matte. So it's very useless. And when it is matte, it will become very dangerous to others. Okay.
Okay, so later on, for the next video session, we are going to discuss about the first project. So maybe whose partner will be the first one will presented their project.
Me, Natasha, and Miza.
Okay.
So, can we recap our discussion today?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can
Okay.
can okay, can.
Okay. So to conclude, we already divided ourselves into 5 pairs. And then the first pair is Natasha and Miza, which they will do white off board from frame. And then the second pair is me and Hannah. We will do clay tray. The third pair is Nabhan and Fidaus. They will do the oil lamp. The fourth pair, Yasmin and Fatima, they will do the phone holder. And then the last pair will be Azim and Lee doing bio-vase. Right, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Yes, correct.
So I think I hope we can do our DIY project successfully and reach our goals, that is to make a useful DIY project. I think that's all. We can meet in the next meeting to see
Okay.
Miza and Natasha's project.
All right.
Thank you,
All
everyone.
right. Thank you all.
Right, thank
See you
you.
soon.
Guys.
You are.
All right. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.